So the new crop is pomegranate, that is a Punica granatum, and family is Punicaceae, and Iran is the origin of this crop. This one is very important crop for the country. These are the fruits of the pomegranate. Different fruits are there. It is favorite table fruit for the country in the tropical and subtropical regions of the world. It is a native of the Iran, as we have discussed it, but it is generally commercially cultivated in the Maharashtra and somewhere in the small scale for in the Gujarat, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Haryana. In India, it is considered as a crop of the arid and semi-arid regions because it withstands the different soils and climatic stresses. Now, pomegranate grows well under the semi-arid conditions. It thrives best under the hot, dry summer and cold winter, provided irrigation facilities are available. Tree requires hot and dry climatic conditions during the fruit development and ripening. It cannot produce sweet fruits unless temperature is high for a sufficient longer period. Humid climatic conditions lowers the quality of the fruits and increase the incidence of the fungal disease. The pomegranate tree is deciduous in areas of low winter temperature and an evergreen or partially deciduous in the tropical and subtropical regions in the conditions. It can tolerate frost to a considerable extent in the dormant stages, but it is injured at the temperature below minus 11 degrees Celsius. Orchards can be established up to an altitude up to the 500 meters. Pomegranate can be grown successfully on the wide range of the soils. It prefers well-drained sandy loam to deep loamy or alluvial soils. It can also be grown on light soils. Quality and color development in light soil is very good but poor in the heavy soils. It tolerates salinity up to the 9 EC and sodicity up to 6.78 ESP. Among the varieties, while pomegranate it is too acidic and of little value except as a shoring agent in the country. The double flowered pomegranates are there which do not bear fruits, are grown in the parks and ornamental, or you can say as a ornamental garden. Alandi, Karandi and Muscati in the Maharashtra, Madhugiri and Basen seedless in the Karnataka, Dholka in the Gujarat. These are the important varieties region wise. Ganesh from the Alandi, G137 from the Ganesh, these are the selections. Alandi or the Wadki fruit are medium size, so different characteristics of different fruits are given that I have provided you material, so you can go through the for the different characteristics. These are the fruits of the Dholka, Kabul, Muscati red, pepper, shelled and Spanish ruby. Ganesh 137, G137, these are the fruits of that. P26 Mridula, these are the fruits of Mridula. P23 Jyoti, these are the fruits of the Jyoti. Ruby IIHR selection, year code 1 CO1. These are the Bhagwa. Nowadays this Bhagwa variety is popular among the farmers and commercial cultivation among for this crop, and particularly this variety is increased in a huge quantity, in this region. In hardwood cuttings can be grown, pomegranate can be grown. Low rate of the survival and unbalanced root initiations are found. Root shoot ratio are also the problem in this when plants are grown through the cuttings. The use of the IA and IBA is superior to NA in stimulating the root in the different types of the cuttings in this crop. Rainy season is the best season to get maximum success for the propagation. It is also propagated by air layering or gutti, we can say. So air layering during the rainy season is ideal during the month of the November to December. Planting of this crop can be done with ideal cultural practices and maintaining the all the spacings, as well as by digging the pits in the summer season and leaving it for in the sunlight for a certain period. A spacing of 4 to 5 meter or on the marginal and very light soil is recommended for this crop. In subtropical regions, planting may be done during the spring season, that is February to March, provided irrigation facilities are available. However, July to August is the ideal time for the planting these tropics. So we have to maintain the size of the pits and about 50 gram of the 5% carbon. So whatever the pesticides, sometimes fungicides are needed, we have to use before the planting. The pits are filled with the topsoil mixed with the 20 kg of the farmyard manure and 1 kg of the super phosphate. After filling, immediately irrigation is to be given. Some supports are to be also to be given. So we have to maintain the ideal conditions. Pomegranate plants can be trained on a single stem or in a multi stems. And the single stem training has its own disadvantages. So we have to maintain the 2 or 3 or up to the 4 stems in a single plant, so that if one branch or the one stem is killed, then we can get the economical return through the other branches or the other these stems. So 3 to 4 are the stems needed. Pomegranate plants do not require pruning, abstract removal of the ground suckers, water shoots, cross branches, dead and diseased twigs, and giving a shape to the plant up to 3 to 4 years. Fruitful and differentiated buds are located at the distal portion of the branches. Pruning of the terminal portion of the branch lowers the total flower production. Pruning does not affect sex ratio and quality of the fruit. It is to be remembered, pruning affects significantly to the total number of the fruits, marketable and unmarketable fruits, fruit size and yield, as well as quality of the fruit. Pruning minimizes the bending of the branches and stacking. Pomegranate is a hardy fruit plant, so growing successfully in a low fertile soil. But ideally, application of the 10 kg of the FYM, 75 gram of the ammonium sulfate, up to the 5 years old tree annually is adequate, whereas application of the 50 kg of the FYM, 3.5 kg of the oil cake, or 1 kg of the sulfate of ammonia prior to the flowering is ideal for the healthy growth and fruiting in this crop. So these are the different doses, and some research are made. The application of the nitrogen, generally we have to give in a few splits, so that we can get the maximum efficiency of this nitrogen. So in general, we can say 600 to 700 gram of the nitrogen, 200 to 250 gram of the P2O5, and 200 to 250 gram of the K2O per tree per year is optimum dose for this crop. Now Bahar is very important in this crop. So generally June, July, Mrig Bahar, September, October, Hast Bahar, and January, February are the Ambe Bahar. The pomegranate plants flower and provides fruits throughout the year in the central and southern regions if you are providing the irrigation regularly. However, it needs to be thrown into the rest period so as to enable prolific harvest at a given time. Looking at the patterns, these are the different Bahars. In Gujarat, so different Bahars are there which are having its own limitations, own benefits, and region to region, area to area, and variety to varieties, it may be different. But in Gujarat, Hast Bahar is recommended for this crop. These are the fruits of this pomegranate fruit set. Although pomegranate is considered to be highly drought tolerant, its plants are responds very well to the irrigation. But according to the Bahar, we have to give the irrigation, and during the fruiting period, when fruits are there found on the plants, we have to maintain the proper moisture in the soil so that fruit cracking problems can be overcome. So regular irrigations as and when needed, it is to be given. Now pomegranate being non-climatic fruit, it should be picked when it is fully ripe. Harvesting of the immature or over-mature fruits affects the quality of the fruit. So fruits become ready to pick after 120 to 130 days of the fruit set. The other signs are calyx at the distal end of the fruit gets closed on the maturity. Ripe fruits give distinct sound of the grains cracking inside the fruit when slightly pressed out from the outside. At maturity, they turn to yellowish red and get suppressed on the sides. So these are the maturity signs. Fruit color is not sure guide to maturity. Plucking is done with hand. Grown up, well managed, well maintained tree gives 60 to 80 fruits annually with a lifespan of 25 to 30 years of the period. Now, as per the according to the weight of the fruit, 750 or 500 to 750 gram, and below 400 to 500 gram. So super sized, king sized and queen sized different fruits are there. So this is useful for the export purpose. These are the different fruits of the pomegranate. Some physiological disorders like internal breakdown is found in this custard, pomegranate. So the exact cause for this is not known, and remedial measures are difficult to advocate. Therefore, pomegranate should be harvested at 120 to 135 days after the fruit set. You can refer material in detail. Fruit cracking is also one of the problem. That is because of the maybe because of the boron deficiency. Sometimes maybe because of the moisture imbalance, we can say. So ideally, it is due to the deficiency of the calcium, boron, and potash. Fully developed pomegranates crack due to moisture imbalance, as they are very sensitive to variation in the soil moisture and also day and night temperature, atmospheric temperature. Prolonged drought causes hardening of the peel. If this is followed by the heavy irrigation or the rains, then cracking may occur. So we have to maintain the regular irrigation to overcome this problem. These are the photographs of the fruit cracking. So some micronutrients or moisture are also responsible for this crop. So as I have provided some material to you in PDF form, so you have to refer this material and listen to this lecture carefully. And if you have any queries and questions, and you can WhatsApp me, you can mail me, or you can write in the comment box. Thank you.